Alright friends, let's dive into strings. We will see string method in our next lessons. So what is a string? A string is a data type made up of sequence of characters. For example, I can define my name, city. These are all strings. I define my name. Name is equal to, what is my name? John Boss. You know, strings can be defined using double quotes or single quotes, but for string we prefer double quotes. So let's print our name. I use variable name inside print function and then I run it. You will see my name appears on the screen. So we can change string value by reassigning a new value to the string variable. Let's do it. I reassign a new value to string variable. For example, name is equal to Murat Boz. Murat Boz is famous in Turkey, who is a singer. So I print name again. You will see Can Boz and Murat Boz. Okay. I delete Murat Boz and then we can access characters in a string by indexing. So you can access individual characters. Here, how many characters we have in our string? 7 characters. It starts here. It starts by C. At my 0 index, I have my first element. At my first index, I have my second element. It continues like that. This space also a character. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 characters inside my string. So let's print it. For example, name, and then I use square brackets and then I put my index number. At my 0 index, I have my first element. So let's run it. You see C appears on the screen. If I change it, for example, I write 2. In my second index, I have my third element. So I run it, you see N appears on the screen. Super. You can use slicing method too. You can get a part of a string using slice notation. What I mean, we know slice notation from our lesson. If I write 0 and then comma and then 3, what does it mean? It starts from my 0 index, it continues until my third index, but third index is not included. So on my screen, what I will see, C my 0 index, A my the value of the first index, and N my second index. So I will see Can on the screen. If I print it, you see Can appears. Super. So you can use negative indexes to start counting from the end. So I delete it. If I put -1 in square brackets, what it will appear on the screen? Z. Z is my last element. If I use negative indexes, it starts from the end. If I put -2, what will appear on the screen? You see O. It continues like that. Super. In the next lesson, we will see string concatenation, looping through strings, string comparison. We will see all. So see you in the next lesson.